Whether you're troubleshooting an electrical circuit or just trying to figure out why something won't turn on, a digital multimeter is one of the most important tools you can use. In this course, EB01B, you'll become intimately familiar with one of the most valuable pieces of equipment in electrical maintenance work, the digital multimeter. You'll learn how to use it safely, read it accurately, and apply it to real-world tasks like measuring voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and even capacitance. And now, becoming an industrial electrical maintenance technician is easier than ever with Intelitek's new CTE Portable Electrical Circuits Trainer. This compact system allows for the quick connection and detachment of Job Master FlexPonent panels. Perform the course tasks on the trainer or use the modular and robust Job Master training suite. Welcome to Intelitek's Digital Multimeter course. Real industrial equipment. Advanced training.